This moderates and extremists, they demanded for Swaraj, just for freedom, but not complete freedom. Okay? Jawaharlal Nehru, for the first time, he demanded for Purna Swaraj. Purna Swaraj means complete freedom. Okay? In the sense, we Indians did not want it to come in the clutches of British people. This is what their expectation was. Okay, Nehru's expectation. And in this particular session, even though he knew the obstacles in case, because he was the leader of the session, chairman of the session. When he is the chairman of the session, whatever the decisions he takes, okay, will be published in the newspaper. And I am talking about British government, not Indian government. In 1929, we have not heard of 1947. Okay, he declared Purna Swaraj in 1929. Okay, so which means everyone, even British Nehru also had fear about Britishers because he thought that he would be arrested. Okay. But he did not fear because he wanted India to be free. That was the only agenda of Nehru. Okay, that is the reason why, for the first time in 1929 Lahore session, he declared Purna Swaraj. He demanded for Purna Swaraj, and not just that. January 26, 1930 was declared as the celebration of first Independence Day. He declared when January 26, 1930 was declared as the first independence. Okay, he declared in case if the Britishers doesn't agree to give us independence, we will rebel against the British government. This is what Nehru is saying. Okay, we will rebel against the British people, and we will take over the regime. In the sense, we will take over the administration of India. Okay, means are not important to us. The only thing is we just want to achieve the freedom. That was the only agenda of these people. Along with Nehru, there are so many other freedom fighters. Okay, it was the agenda, and not just that. In that same session, they started to. Nehru gave a call for civil disobedient movement. What is the civil disobedient movement? Civil disobedience means you have the constitution. Okay, if I have to talk about the present situation, we have the constitution, we have the respective government. Okay, now civil disobedience means here violating the constitution. He gave a call to violate the constitution in case if they do not agree to give freedom to us. These kinds of calls were given by Nehru in this Lahore session of 1929. Okay, so after that Nehru was arrested. Okay, for some time that period. Again,